What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo. This is my channel, Mo Nation. So today, you guys, we are going to check out Mitchell's Porsche. He has like this huge wing that he's going to be putting on his Porsche, and I think we're going to go check out his new house that he's building too. So I'm gonna get a couple of shots of his Porsche, but first I'm going to detail a car. So I'm going to detail now the detailing stuff has been going pretty good so far. It's been a little steady, and then I even had to kind of like take my stuff off so I can stop getting inquiries, because I was getting way too many to kind of handle. I'm going to detail a BMW, not sure on the year and model. I'll see y'all when I get there. I feel it's gonna be super loud. Over there about to go check something out. He's in the background, but I'm gonna get him to go ahead and go over his car some. So y'all haven't seen his car in the video in like a good minute. Last time his car was in the video, there's actually wrapping it. So he's gonna go ahead and go over like all the new things in the video right now. He's actually building a house, so he's doing the house updates. So y'all can go check that out on his video. He's building a 3-car garage house, so that's gonna be pretty bad. And he also has wrapped cars, so he actually did this wrap AVS vinyl. Put all the information down below. Y'all seen him in a couple videos, but it's been a long time since we did a video together, because he's been busy, I've been busy. So but as y'all can see, like they got the wood and stuff here already for his house. It's almost like Legos. They just go, I guess, you know, however they do it, they put it together, but the walls are already done and stuff. So let's go ahead and get him to start explaining about his car. All right, y'all, so we at this spot. Mitchell's about to go over all the mods on his car, and look at this. Like, somebody recently came and did a whole bunch of donuts and burnouts, and even have, like, they literally shred their tires. That is crazy. So this got to be like today, yesterday, or probably today. Somebody was bored.
They went down to the wires. There's no tread right here. So on the other ones, you can see the actual tread.
Yeah. Right
here, you see like the scratches.
Damn.
So they went down to the metal wires.
So y'all, like, it's windy. I don't have a mic for my phone, so forgive me for the wind noise. So y'all haven't seen Mitchell's car, like I said, since that video I did where they was just wrapping it. So he's gonna go ahead, make sure y'all go and subscribe to his YouTube also. MTPARADISE is gonna be down below, and of course it's gonna pop up on the screen. And y'all go follow AVS Solutions. So they actually did the banner on the back of my G8. So they're probably gonna get something done for the Durango too. So you can go ahead and kind of explain to them everything that's done to it so far. Because last time it had a crazy wrap, but not as crazy as this.
Yep, so me and my friend Cameron, we actually started our own wrap company. So this is a completely original design that we came up with on our own. So obviously you can see the wrap. One of the big things that really stands out is the front splitter, side skirts, and in a minute you'll probably see the rear diffuser. So had that made by Mad Matt. I don't know if you want to put like those little thing right here.
Yeah, you have to send it to me tonight.
So then I went through and I did like the little neon yellow around the entire trim of it, which just looks absolutely amazing. Kind of like matches the look of the car. Kind of like for performance wise, obviously I did an intake. That's one of the best things you want to do with the car, so it can breathe a lot better. But the exhaust is completely different. So we can go ahead and walk around the back and I'll show you that.
Yeah. And then like all the front splitter, the side skirts, right?
Yep.
And back, all that's like it says custom.
Yep.
So this will probably be the only Porsche that you're gonna see, the Porsche Cayman with the with dual exhaust like this. So y'all can see.
Yeah, so with the Porsche Cayman, the exhaust comes out each side of the engine. It comes together and it has an X pipe where then it has the two exhaust tips right in the middle. So what I did with this is essentially ripped off the whole back half of the exhaust. It just came straight out on each corner. But with that, the exhaust, or the rear bumper had like a little cutout for the where the exhaust is supposed to come out. So I just went ahead and I got a new rear bumper because I didn't want to cut up the original. So a completely new bumper, and I cut out the whole bottom edge across the entire thing so that I can accommodate for the exhaust coming out each side. And then since it's a big open hole, I had the diffuser made to fill it in perfectly, and it was essentially made to fit this exact setup.
I can't wait to see with the wing on it too, man.
Oh, I know.
So like. Alright y'all, so this is the big wig that he's gonna be putting. Yeah, that's better. The video won't do it justice though. It looks good too. I like the Porsche.
Oh yeah. So then I don't know if you can get it, but the that's reflective vinyl. The where it says 9 Lives Racing.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
You see it?
Yeah. I don't think it show up in the video, but I see it.
If you take it with a...
Alright y'all, so this is the car that I'm doing. 328i BMW. Got some slight pollen on it. Carbon fiber wing. Alright, I already got my setup right here. About to go ahead and start washing it. Hey y'all, so I'm about to wrap up, put all my stuff back in the truck, and I'm finished with his car. Came out pretty good. I'm gonna take a couple of pictures. Got the rims real good with the chemical guys. See, car is pretty nice, honestly. Came out better than what I thought. I put the spray wax on there also, so. And I really like his carbon fiber spoiler. Wheels came out pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start wrapping up all my stuff, put the tops on stuff. See, I got the top on that one, put everything back in the car, and then go ahead and I'm gonna get out of here. Hey y'all, so this is AJ, the owner of the BMW. So he has a YouTube. You want to shout out to YouTube?
The Lavish Lifestyles Vision Shot, but you can find me at AJ Fisher.
So I'm gonna put all that down below. So if y'all want to go, I'll put you a link and stuff. I'm gonna put it down below. Cool. in my video. So pretty nice. You can turn the lights on.
Yeah.
The halos.
I'm sorry, you guys probably won't see it that well because it's daytime. But take a look at my Japanime in the meantime.
That is a bright blue too. That looks good.
Those are $100 light bulbs, blue on the demon eyes. And let me show you the $100 bulbs that I put. I'm telling you why I did this, because there are no motherfucking street lights in Texas.
Okay. On the video, it's but
LED lights. Oh, you saw it blinking and flashing?
yeah, it's flashing on the video. But that's usually how
Yeah, it does work.
it looks better in person. But good energy. So hopefully we'll be doing his car again whenever he's ready. We'll go ahead and do.
You know for sure you're getting my business.
So, all right, y'all. So I'll see y'all in the next scene. So I'm gonna show y'all my setup. Obviously, my water tank's back there. All my tools and everything right here. And this time I did something differently. So I have 3 buckets. So I have these 2 buckets I just bought, and I'm buying another bucket. So one bucket is just water for the wheels, and then the other bucket is a rinse bucket. So I mean, if you just starting out, you don't really need that, but I mean, a bucket is like $2, $3. The top is like $1 at Walmart, and I think that's where I got these from. It would be great to have one of those little things where the buckets roll, but I really honestly don't need it, but it'll be convenient to have it. Obviously my pressure washer, and I have all my stuff on the side. Now I am thinking about adding a second water tank for just to fill up the buckets. So with this one, that little car, I used about, let's see, I filled it up to the top. We had 25, so we had a little under 25 on the water tank. So I used about 10 gallons of water to almost half, almost 15. Honestly, I used about 10 gallons of water, if not maybe 12, 13, to wash that BMW that I just did. Other than that, I mean, it's pretty good. I have a bunch of space in the back. So my door is broken, so I had to kind of rearrange everything, but I could put 2 water tanks. Once I fix the door and stuff, I could put 2 water tanks. One just for backup, for if I run out of water on this one being my main right here, and then the other one for buckets and whatever else I needed for to fill up stuff like this. So my sprayer actually broke. The other one I have, that one was cheap. This one wasn't cheap. This was about $50, I think, from Chemical Guys. So I mean, my setup is pretty good. If y'all want me to kind of go through it thoroughly, just comment down below, and then I'll make a video where I'm going through it a little bit better.